What's up everybody? My name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song Focus by Ariana Grande. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one we're gonna go move back. So this is time for you to totally memorize it. Alright, let's start. So you're gonna walk to the front. 1, 2. Then dip. 3, 4, 5. Point on 6, 7. Raise your knee. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, quick. 5, 6. Don't forget to smile. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next. From here. Balance. 7, 8. You're gonna step to your right. 1 and 2. Then dip. 3, 4. Then away on 5. Point to the front. 6. Grab. 7, grab, and 8. One more time. 6, 7, and 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Let's connect 1 and second. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, for this one, you're gonna close, then hips 1, 2. So left, right, jump to the back. 3, look to the front on 4. Then close on 5, step your left. 6, right 7, and 8. Alright, one more time. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, up, 3, look back on 4, close on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, move to the center. Next, from here, you're gonna step your right to the side. 1, left, 2. Remember, don't look up. So 1, 2, open, 3, drop on 4, like this, 4. Then you're gonna go 5, 6, close on 7, go up on 8. You got that one? Let's try from here. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, down on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try from the beginning. 4, 8. Ready? Here we go. With a smile. 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next, center. So 7, 8. Ad-lib slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly 6, 7, 8. Alright? Super slow. One more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna close. 1, 2. Make sure you count 1, 2, open on 3 and 4. Then you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, one more time. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next, can we move back a little bit? 7, 8. 7, 8. Go down on 1, 2, 3, not on 4. Okay, then close on 5, 6. Go up, then use your right. 7 and 8. Next, step right. 1, 2, 30, 30. Then close to the middle. 7 and 8. All right, that's right. From here, 6. I don't know. It's too far. So maybe from here. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lower. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, left. 30, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Last 2 8. This one's a bit fast. So you're gonna go open 1 and 2. So your pepper look like this. 7 and go 1 and 2. Side 3, 4. Step back 5 and 6. Close on 7. Away on 8. Let's do quick. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8. Last 8. 7. Last 8. Put your hand like this. You're gonna sit and 2, 3 and 4. Then dip on 5, 6. Step on 7. Turn around 8. Jump on 1. That's it. That's right. From here. Continuous. 5. Don't forget to smile. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And bye-bye. Yeah! Let's start with the beginning. All of it. Ready? Are you ready, guys? Here we go. On 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, close, 6, 7, slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hey! 1, 2, 4. Hit! Good job. Very good. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked that video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and also don't forget to press the notification bell because I'm going to upload more dance video and dance tutorial in the future. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.